Hey cool cats, today we're going to be talking about references for ear training. We're going to be talking about how to listen to stuff like this, being able to say, oh, that sounds like Mario getting a new not checkpoint, what is it? It's a coin, right? Yes, it's definitely a coin. Getting a new coin and being able to say, oh, I hear that in a song. I know that that is a perfect fifth. We're going to be talking about these distinct intervals and songs or different musical patterns, musical jingles, songs, arcade music, things that reference this stuff. Today, we're going to focus on references that relate to the C major scale, especially because we've talked about that a lot. One thing I have to tell you before this is the specific interval names between these notes. Before, we've been referencing them as a second, a third distance, because you can count 1, 2, 3. This is a third, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a fourth. However, there are specific names for these intervals. They are because this is a major scale, these are major intervals. We have a major second, a major third, we're going to get to this one soon, and this one, a major sixth, a major seventh, and we're going to get to this one next also. We have major intervals there, and then we also have perfect intervals. A major scale is made up of only major and perfect intervals. The perfect intervals are here, a perfect fourth, here a perfect fifth, and here a perfect octave. I like to use the beginning of songs or the beginning of jingles to reference any type of ear training thing, because trying to think in the middle of a song usually takes extra brain power, and we're trying to be able to identify ththese intervals in a snap. Frere Jacques is a great song that ascends with a major second interval. Frere Jacques, Frere, Frere. An example of an ascending major third is Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. So we have Kumbaya right there. Finding an interval that goes from do to fa in the beginning of the song is actually harder than I thought it would be. I went through various different sites. I also went through Reddit. I read some PDFs. I used ChatGPT even to try to find, hey, is there one? Because typically, even for myself, and a lot of songs show the interval reference for a fourth as G to C, and as well as various other songs of that type. So, if you know a song that has that reference, please tell me. But I do have something to help you out in the meantime. I like to do this. Do, fa, mi. It's a common melodic cadence when it comes to songwriting, and that's typically what I play in my head if I want to test to see if we have a fourth interval ascending. Do, fa, mi, ba, da, da, da. And last but not least for this lesson, Mario getting his coin. Here we go. We typically hear this in a higher register when you play the video game. So that is going from do to sol or from C to G. This is a perfect fifth interval. Okay, y'all, this is all for this mental health music lesson. In the next lesson, we'll be diving into the interval of a sixth, a seventh, and an octave. For now, practice the second interval going from a second, a third, a fourth, and a fifth in your free time, and feel free to send me a video so I can give you some feedback as well. Okay, cool cats, keep practicing. I hope to see you at the next video, and have a mentally healthy rest of your day.